Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Tozo A2 earbuds with any Android device like phone or tablet. So simply open this charging case and now we have to wait until this indicators right here and right here turns on. There we go, the red on the left, and we also want to get on the right one. Okay, right now we can simply take them out of this charging case and also wait until this indicator will start blinking like that. It means that right now we are in the pairing mode, so take them out of this case, go to the Bluetooth on your Android phone, select pair new device, and from available devices list select your Tozo A2. Accept the pairing. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video, hope you like it.